Big news might be on the horizon. DJI is rumored to be launching its very first full-frame digital mirrorless camera on this year. Yes, you heard that right. The whispers come from DJI rumors, via L rumors, and honestly, it feels like one of those, oh wow, this could really shake things up moments. Now, let's not forget, DJI already owns Hasselblad, the legendary brand behind the stunning X2D medium format mirrorless camera. That means DJI isn't exactly new to the mirrorless game. They've been quietly building expertise behind the scenes. And with so many brands, Sony, Canon, Nikon, Panasonic, Sigma, Leica, already crowding the full-frame arena, DJI's entry feels bold, daring, and oh so exciting. If this rumor turns out true, the big three, Sony, Canon, and Nikon, might start sweating a little. Fujifilm? They can relax. No full frame, no worries. Oh man, this camera can't come soon enough. We can expect it to be packed with advanced features, particularly for video recording, which aligns with DJI's expertise in drones and gimbals. While these are still just speculations, it's fun to imagine what features a DJI mirrorless camera could have. But how credible are these rumors? And if true, what could a DJI mirrorless camera bring to the table? The source of the rumors can be traced back to Andrea Pizzini, a well-known leaker with a history of both confirming and debunking technology rumors. Although we don't yet have concrete details, the prospect of DJI venturing into the mirrorless camera market has captured attention. As of now, DJI has not confirmed or denied these rumors. When asked about the possibility on Reddit, DJI's support team responded with a non-committal message. "Hi there. We have not yet received any information related to your question. Please stay tuned to DJI's official website for the latest updates." This vague response neither confirms nor dismisses the rumors, leaving the door open for speculation. We might see advanced video features such as high-resolution 6K or even 8K raw video recording, combined with DJI's proprietary D-Log color profile, which is highly favored by content creators for post-production flexibility. Another aspect to consider is the camera's sensor. DJI has experience with incorporating high-performance sensors in compact devices, such as their drones. Rumors suggest that their mirrorless camera could come with a 42-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, which would offer a balance between image quality and portability. This would put the potential DJI mirrorless camera in direct competition with models like the Sony a7 IV and Canon R5, which are popular among both professional and enthusiast photographers. The choice of lens mount would be crucial for the success of a DJI mirrorless camera. DJI has previously worked with the L mount on some of their products, and if they continue this trend, it would allow them to launch with a good selection of high-quality lenses right out of the gate. This would be a strategic advantage over competitors who often launch new camera models with limited lens options. If DJI can offer a versatile range of lenses at launch, it would make their camera more appealing to photographers and videographers who want flexibility in their setups. Access to a variety of lenses from day one could make DJI's entry into the mirrorless market even more compelling. While it's unlikely that DJI's potential mirrorless camera would be positioned as a budget option, it's also not expected to compete directly with the high-end models from luxury brands like Leica. Instead, DJI would probably aim for a balance between performance and price, targeting both professionals and enthusiasts who are looking for advanced features without the premium price tag. A crowded market with strong contenders, the mirrorless camera market is already highly competitive, with strong offerings from brands like Sony, Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic. For DJI to make an impact, their mirrorless camera would need to offer something truly special. Their expertise in video technology, compact design, and image stabilization could be significant advantages. If they bring their cutting-edge video features and stabilization technology to the mirrorless format, DJI could stand out in a crowded field. The rumors about DJI entering the mirrorless camera market are exciting, but they remain speculative for now. However, if DJI does decide to venture into this space, their camera will likely reflect the company's well-earned reputation for innovation and quality. With a focus on both high-resolution imaging and video performance, DJI could attract a wide range of users, from professional videographers to photography enthusiasts.
Buckle up, folks, because the DJI Action 6 is crashing into 2025 with a bang. This isn't just any upgrade. It's the hotly anticipated successor to the Action 5 Pro. And trust me, this thing is gearing up to flip the action camera world upside down. So what's the scoop? Well, we've got an exclusive leak. Yep, real tester images. They show the Action 6 pairing up with a smartwatch. Yes, DJI is leveling up. On the smartwatch screen, it literally flashes Osmo Action 6 during pairing. Oh, snap. Things just got interesting. Now, imagine this. You're bombing down a trail, heart pounding, sweat dripping, and boom, you glance at your wrist. The smartwatch is now your action cam's sidekick. Start/stop recording? Easy. Switch modes? Done. And here's the kicker. All your GPS, heart rate, oxygen levels, and speed data, swoosh, seamlessly synced into your footage in real time. Talk about next-level storytelling. Ha ha ha! Bluetooth's doing all the heavy lifting here, keeping things connected on the fly. The headline feature is its massive 1-inch sensor, delivering an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Oh, that's fire! On top of that, video shooters are in for a treat. 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion. DJI leaker Mauro Tandoi posted about DJI Osmo Action 6. He said that the DJI Action 6 model AC006 is compatible with the DJI 30-watt USB-C charger and works in temperatures from -20 degrees to 45 degrees. It offers Wi-Fi with 802.11 ABGN/AC/AX protocols across multiple frequency bands, and supports Bluetooth 5.1 with reliable 2.4 GHz connectivity.
DJI has followed a consistent pattern with its action camera launches, typically arriving in late summer to early fall. The Osmo Action 1 debuted in September 2022, followed by the Osmo Action 4 in August 2023, and then the Osmo Action 5 Pro in September 2024. Given this steady cycle, the most likely launch window for the Osmo Action 6 falls between August and October 2025. Adding fuel to the fire, FCC filings popped up in early 2025 alongside supply chain leaks and prototype photos. All signs point to an announcement as early as late August or September 2025. So yes, mark your calendars, because this summer could be the one where DJI redefines action cameras yet again. These aren't your typical fuzzy low-res leaks either. The photos look sharp, clean, and confident, almost like DJI is teasing us on purpose. Out of nowhere. Can you believe it? These images popped up just as DJI's 180-day FCC confidentiality period expired, a classic sign that something official is brewing behind the scenes. While DJI hasn't said a single word publicly, the visuals scream volumes. From what we can see, the Osmo Action 6 is sticking to the dual screen setup we've come to love. One screen on the back, one on the front. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. That design has always been a favorite with vloggers and adventurers who want to stay perfectly in frame without flipping the camera around. That's it. But here's the kicker. What's really got everyone buzzing is the mysterious pill-shaped component tucked right beneath the front screen. Wait, what? It's not a speaker, it's not a button, or at least not one we recognize. Speculation is already running wild. Could it be a new sensor? Maybe some kind of gesture control pad? Or something totally fresh we haven't seen before in an action cam? I didn't see that coming. The suspense is real, and honestly, that unknown element just adds to the hype. Haha! This is getting good.